Hey, it's James Potenza, that new home realtor. We're out here at Perry Homes in Pomona, Manvel, Texas, and we're just going to watch them build this home here. I'm checking it out. Wanted to show you guys a couple of things that Perry Homes does that a lot of home builders don't, which is a good thing. And I'll kind of flip you around here. I just wanted to show you this header real quick while we're just standing in the garage, but we'll flip you around and walk around the house. There it is, right there. Super thick, super strong header right there for the garage door. Anyway, we're out here. I got me a nice warm cup of coffee from the sales office, and of course it's not the best day to be filming out here, but you can see it's a little cloudy, a little misty, a little rainy, a little chilly, but we're good. We got coffee and we're going to check out this home. All right, we'll see you. All right, so here's your Perry home being built in Pomona, Manvel, Texas. They have got a lot of places to build new homes. They just bought a bunch of more land. The developer is really making this into something really nice. So anyway, that's Pomona, Manvel. So let's go inside and see what we can see. So the whole idea about this is to kind of look at different builders. I do multiple home builds with clients. They buy several. Well, not several, but they buy different builders, obviously. And what we're looking for is, well, what's different? Some are good, some are bad, some are overpriced, some do not so good things. So we're just going to kind of walk around, and you'll see a lot of the similar things that some of the home builders do. Let me see if I can get you down there. Yeah, all the builders, they're mandated to put these clips right here. Another one over here. That's your ground right there. That's your ground bar. And that's your gas line coming in right here. And that goes all the way up there. And then of course you see a nail guard right there. Those are extremely important. You got to have those anywhere there's any kind of mechanical, which would be plumbing, electrical, gas lines, anything like that, where a nail could potentially go through when they hang sheetrock. So yeah, good stuff. But here's that header I wanted to show you. Massive, and it's just a standard size width garage. But look at that. And wait till you come over here. That's over-engineered, I think, which is a good thing for the home buyer. Yeah, so when you're walking through your home during this stage of the building process, this is obviously in the framing stage. It's not quite ready for your frame or pre-sheetrock inspection, but they're putting a lot of mechanical in here. And when I say mechanical, I'm talking about plumbing right here, drain lines. You're going to see some electrical, you're going to see some gas lines, that sort of thing. It all kind of gets combined into what's really just mechanical. So yeah, they're almost finished with the plumbing. And this is going to be a gorgeous house. That's typical Perry Homes right there. Look how wide that is. That's really nice. Yeah, let's just walk around and see the floor plan. So as you're building your home, you'll be able to see where your walls are going to be at. When they put the sheetrock up, it's going to make it look even more like a home. But you can see where your room's going to be. Looks like a nice dining room, and it's a little noisy over here. They're putting the roof on right now, but we can work around it. All right, let's see what else we can find. Yeah, here's your master bedroom. Yeah, you can really get a feel for where you're going to be at. This being your kitchen area, your living area. You're going to have a big old granite countertop with the sink in the middle. It's going to be really nice. And I found a place that you can put your 90-inch flat screen right there. Now what we might want to do is go ahead and run some conduit up and down here. Now they hadn't got to the electrical part yet. So I think that is in the plan for you guys, to run some conduit all the way down to there. That way you'll be all set. Yeah, let's walk in your master bedroom. Nice. So here's your master bathroom, and they've got most of the plumbing in. And well, there's your problem right there. You don't have any windows. Yeah, they got them in the front. They'll put those up probably in the next day or so. All of your PEX plumbing. So that's your hot water. And it looks like they use white for the cold water. Sometimes it's blue. The red's always hot, but in this configuration they're using white. So yeah, this is PEX plumbing, flexible plastic lines basically, and it's much more reliable than if they were to use copper or aluminum or any other kind of metal that you have to solder or screw together with some sort of a sealant. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so let's walk right through your wall right here. Okay, I found a couple more things that I like about Perry homes. Some builders do this also, and I think I know why. These are all 2x6s. So the 2x6s instead of the 2x4, they're just wider. That's it. But it also looks like it's structural. So they've got two of them butted up to each other. And I think the reason behind that is so they can put mechanical inside the walls. So they would put large plumbing pipes inside here. I've seen them do it with just 2x4s, which doesn't leave a whole lot of room. But that's actually very good. I like that. And there's 2x6s all the way down. 2x6, 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 and then back to 2x4. Cool. All right, so we were just walking around the inside of a Perry home in the framing stage, and I love walking through homes while they're being framed because you can see everything inside the walls that they would normally cover up, including the mechanical, the electrical, everything. And you can see how good a job that they really do. Yeah, check that out. Gotta love it. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and if you are looking to buy a home anywhere in the Houston area, feel free to give me a call. I'll be able to help you out.